Under 81 kilo category, gold medal Nakashima Keita, Japan. Silver medalist was Frankie Chu of South Korea. There were bronze medals for Amir Kassim Nishat of Iran and Lukas Braun of Poland.
'81 kilo, we have 17 athletes. Let's check again.